Hand me the wrench, Mike.
Here you go.
Hand me the wrench, Mike.
Here you go.
Thanks. This bolt's stuck.
Try some WD-40.
Thanks. This bolt's stuck.
Try some WD-40.
Good idea. Where is it?
On the shelf. Top right.
Good idea. Where is it?
On the shelf. Top right.
Got it.
Better?
Got it.
Better?
Yeah. It's moving now.
Good. That bolt was rusty.
Yeah. It's moving now.
Good. That bolt was rusty.
Real bad. Probably years without service.
Looks like it.
Real bad. Probably years without service.
Looks like it.
All right, brake pads next.
I'll grab them.
All right, brake pads next.
I'll grab them.
These old ones are worn out.
Almost down to metal.
These old ones are worn out.
Almost down to metal.
Lucky they came in today.
Could have been worse.
Lucky they came in today.
Could have been worse.
Yeah. Brake failure's no joke.
Not at all.
Yeah. Brake failure's no joke.
Not at all.
Hold the light for me?
Sure.
Hold the light for me?
Sure.
Thanks. I need both hands.
No problem.
Thanks. I need both hands.
No problem.
Pads fit fine.
Sweet. Halfway done.
Pads fit fine.
Sweet. Halfway done.
Yep. Then oil change.
I already got the oil.
Yep. Then oil change.
I already got the oil.
Nice. What type?
5W30, just like the manual says.
Nice. What type?
5W30, just like the manual says.
Perfect.
How's the rotor?
Perfect.
How's the rotor?
Still good. No warping.
Great. Save him some money.
Still good. No warping.
Great. Save him some money.
Exactly.
You want me to start draining oil?
Exactly.
You want me to start draining oil?
Yeah, go ahead.
Cool.
Yeah, go ahead.
Cool.
I'll button up the brakes.
Shout if you need anything.
I'll button up the brakes.
Shout if you need anything.
Will do.
Oil's almost out.
Will do.
Oil's almost out.
Fast flow. Engine must be warm.
Yeah, he drove here right before.
Fast flow. Engine must be warm.
Yeah, he drove here right before.
Makes it easy.
For sure.
Makes it easy.
For sure.
Brakes done.
Sweet. Oil pan's dry now.
Brakes done.
Sweet. Oil pan's dry now.
Let's put the new filter in.
Got it right here.
Let's put the new filter in.
Got it right here.
Thanks, Mike.
Anytime, Jack.
Thanks, Mike.
Anytime, Jack.
Filters on tight.
Nice. Filling her up.
Filters on tight.
Nice. Filling her up.
Yep. 4 quarts.
Yep, 4.
Yep. 4 quarts.
Yep, 4.
Here we go.
Smells fresh.
Here we go.
Smells fresh.
Way better than the old stuff.
Big time.
Way better than the old stuff.
Big time.
Done.
Want me to start her up?
Done.
Want me to start her up?
Go for it.
She's purring.
Go for it.
She's purring.
Good job, man.
Same to you.
Good job, man.
Same to you.
Let's just check for leaks.
Right. Always double check.
Let's just check for leaks.
Right. Always double check.
No leaks here.
None underneath.
No leaks here.
None underneath.
Perfect.
Another job well done.
Perfect.
Another job well done.
High five.
Boom.
High five.
Boom.
Let's call the customer.
On it.
Let's call the customer.
On it.